Hey guys and girls, Tim Schmidt here, and we are here today not to find who stole my sleeves, but to actually check out some channels you can see on YouTube where you can get a free online marketing education, learn about affiliate, the agency life, e-commerce, Amazon, what have you. It's all out there. There's a lot of free training you can check out. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. Hope everyone's safe. And just as a little precursor, there is no better time to be an internet marketer or selling online. We have not missed a beat with this whole COVID-19 and stay-at-home order. I feel for a lot of people out there. My heart goes out to a lot of friends of mine who hit some tough times, have been furloughed, and are just struggling in their industry. And it might be time to make a career change. And if you sound like you're on the fence right there, again, nothing to sell personally here today, but there's some things out here you can look at and perhaps think about the way the world's moving towards a more online-based society. And maybe it's an eye-opener, maybe not, but if not, just enjoy the free education. So again, just make the most of staying at home, and here's some things that I've taken away and that I reflect on, and you'll hear more in the upcoming slides. But the beauty of it is we have not missed a beat as internet marketers. In fact, I did this whole presentation sitting poolside here, and I intend on going back out there and maybe having a cold cocktail when this is all done. But for now, wanted to get this shot, and again, we're all nice and comfortable here at home. Hope you are as well, so enjoy this. Affiliate marketing. So I found one affiliate marketing channel that I really liked, and I've got a little bit of inside information on this one. The person's name is John Crestani, right? John teaches I really relate to John because I actually went to his party in Las Vegas in January at the old place that the Real World rented in the Hard Rock Casino. And thanks to Kelly Felix for getting me into that. That was really awesome. Had a great time, wasn't there very long, but super cool place, and got to meet John and actually ended up getting his course later on. I teach affiliate marketing one-on-one in a personal mentoring style. I had a course many moons ago. I haven't updated it. John has taken those concepts and more. He even does Facebook ads, which I never dabbled in with affiliate marketing. It teaches that to people, and I really like his style because, like myself, he likes to enjoy travel as much as he likes to make money online. So if you guys like the internet jet set lifestyle, ironically, that is his course name. Link to it below. Check it out. I've personally taken it. I actually have a review on one of my other sites that I wrote about the course after taking it. You'll learn more about my history if you don't know me on that as well. But type in affiliate marketing on YouTube. You will come across John. He's got a lot of videos that are out there on page 1, page 2 that have to do with affiliate marketing. And right now, he is the guy I look for information from, the guy to follow, especially if you're new, to get in and just kind of see what's going on and what kind of paths you can take in affiliate marketing. Again, he's got a course, super cool. I won't waste my time endorsing it, although I do endorse it. Full review below. You can check that out. I highly recommend you read the review. I spent a lot of time writing it, and check it out from there. You can always email me personally if you have further questions about it. But John's a guy that knows his stuff, and like they say, game recognized game. John does what he teaches. So without further ado, he's what I'm recommending right now for affiliate marketing as far as just looking at that on a channel. John's your guy. Amazon, okay? Amazon's something I'm highly involved with myself, and Amazon's something I do every single day. I check in, I do advertising, I look at my product reviews, I look at my listings. There's a lot of moving parts there. One company that has this down to an exact science is called Helium 10. Again, same thing, link below, you'll see everything that's going on. I'm personally a subscriber to their training. I'm an avid follower. I belong to their course. They've got a Facebook group. They've got an amazing host named Bradley Sutton who goes over everything inside out and really teaches and dissects everything you could learn inside of Amazon. Their channel has free videos. You can kind of dip your toe in there if you want. Check it out. There's also a podcast you can get into. There's case studies. And if you are an Amazon seller, you're really missing out and not getting their information. And right now, there has never been more traffic on Amazon's marketplace, so it's a really good time to join up with them. As far as general channels you can just check out and learn from or enjoy, there's a couple out there, and there's some people that are doing it right now that you should follow. One of them is my longtime friend, Joe Marfolio, and his channel is called DIY Entrepreneur. And Joe's a marketer and trainer who's been involved with a course I was deeply involved with called OMG for a long, long time. And they've moved on, and they've got another thing they're doing now. And not to get into that segue, you can look it up if you want. I'll talk to you about it personally if you'd like. But right now I'm talking about Joe's channel, DIY Entrepreneur. Joe knows his stuff, and he's one of the only guys that does it without any fluff. I mean, Joe's moved around the world since I've known him, but you'd never know it. Joe's the same guy that he was when I met him, 8, 9 years ago, whatever it was. Joe just continually keeps his pulse on internet marketing. And one thing that he really knows more than anything else is YouTube. And when you look at his channel, you'll see everything from the cover photo he puts on his videos to the way he styles his videos and his titles. Just looking at Joe's videos can give you some tips on how you can rank in YouTube, which is owned by Google, and just kind of copy what he's doing out there by learning just by watching his free training videos. And it's kind of, I call them motivational videos because he goes all over the place in his videos, and it's about online business. And they go into the segment called Burn the Box. And it's not called Burn the Box because they burn anything. They think outside the box and they burn it down. It's basically a play on speech. But Joe is a very smart guy I look up to. And I just recently learned of this channel. I didn't know he had it, but I was speaking to him recently, and I've checked it out, and it's awesome. So big kudos to Joe doing big things as always, and DIY entrepreneur is something you can learn from, whatever you're in with internet marketing for that matter. Another guy, and this kind of goes back to affiliate marketing, because I've also taken his course as well, and I feel like after I did Affiliate U, Matt was the first guy to really take a course and kind of connect dots where I didn't. And when I say that, Matt teaches everything, but he teaches it from an SEO perspective as well. So he connects dots inside of building a site and getting your strategy and your lander down and picking your products and everything like that and doing your keyword research. But Matt also teaches SEO. I never went that far in the course because I focused on a lot more psychology and strategy with my course. But Matt does that, and he does it very, very well. So Matt Diggity Marketing, his channel, it goes around everything basically. It talks about anything from running an agency to updates in Google to tools that are out there. Matt covers the whole gamut, and Matt's a pretty diverse guy like myself that I really respect what he does. He's got a link building service. I can speak from a client perspective. I'm a client of that service, and they do a great job at what they do. And I think they call it ABC Link Building, and it's fantastic. And I'll link to it below as well. He's got an affiliate marketing course called the Affiliate Lab, which is really, really cool. I'm a member there as well. So again, I don't really promote things that I don't have a lot of experience with or don't personally know about. Matt knows his stuff. Matt lives over in Thailand and also hosts an annual SEO event that I will get to one year. Hopefully this thing slows down and allows people to travel, because with my reduced travel, I might take a bunch of little mini trips and pack them all into one and end up making it Thailand this year, Matt. So hopefully that goes on. Neil Patel. Neil Patel is a guy that if you've been doing any internet marketing, you've probably heard his name. I don't recommend you check him out if you're a real noob or beginner to internet marketing, but if you've been doing this for a while, Neil's stuff is pretty advanced. He talks really, at least to me, really techy and kind of assumes you know some things before you read his stuff or start working with him. So it's not really for the novice out there, but if you've been around and you haven't heard the name Neil Patel, check him out. He's a New York Times bestseller, and as a book writer who had a bestseller on Amazon, a lot of respect to Neil for doing that. That's crazy success right there. And he's been an influencer for a while. I've run into him at conferences. Don't know him personally, but I have followed his blog for a long, long time. And again, link to that will be below. Of course, if you want to get tips from internet marketing, you can always follow me. I don't have anything to sell. I'm not doing any courses at the time. I do one-on-one mentoring. I do business consulting and SEO. But I put these out there to help people out to find and connect with my friends. I believe that networking is the biggest thing that I offer to people. I'm pretty well connected. So if you need something, hit me up. I can perhaps make some connections for you. That's what I'm really good at, especially in the digital world. But again, my channel is all about stuff like this, and once in a while I put out some gems that aren't about other people's stuff, and there might be something that I'm teaching, but again, that's what it's all about. So again, just try to do my part, help people accelerate, learn more things during this whole COVID-19. If you're staying at home, I hope you're taking advantage of it and learning. Myself personally, just on a closing note, I'm learning things like programmatic marketing, a lot more paid media stuff. I'm kind of sharpening my swords as far as that goes, getting ready to throw a lot more traffic at my own ventures, and I'm writing more content than ever. So, you should be doing the same. There's a lot more time. I find myself with probably 15 to 20 more hours a week, simply based on the fact that routine things like just picking up and going to the gym and turning that into getting gas, and then going to the pharmacy or going to get groceries can turn into 2 hours. Those are all gone right now. My son in soccer, don't even get me started. I'm the best male soccer mom that you know. I mean, we're spending so much time on soccer, going to the park, picking up, going to tournaments, going to away tournaments, traveling all around Florida, last summer Hawaii. It's a lot of time. So that's been something we haven't been doing. And of course, just going out and enjoying ourselves at restaurants. We're at home more, so it opens up a lot of time. I mean, you can wake up whenever you want, walk over to your computer, get going, get started, eat at my desk. I mean, I feel like I'm working 20 hours a day. I'm probably doing more towards like 16 to 18. but it doesn't really feel like it because I can't really do anything else and I'm not missing out on anything else. So again, I'm taking advantage of this. You should too. Everything I showed you, all these channels are all free things you can look at. If there's anything that catches your eye, you can certainly upgrade and do their course. I recommend everything I saw here or that you saw here. And take advantage of this time and get ahead. And if you have any questions, my site and my Instagram are below. Obviously, YouTube channel, you're on it right now. Please subscribe. There'll be more stuff like this. And everybody stay safe. And I'm hopefully going to go catch some sun and find whoever stole my sleeves. So until the next video, Tim Schmidt signing out.